In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel subscriptions in Stripe. If you manage recurring billing, there will be times when you need to end a customer's subscription cleanly and confidently. I'll walk you through the exact flow in Stripe's dashboard and explain the choices you'll see, so you can pick the option that best fits your situation. Start by opening your Stripe dashboard and navigating to the subscriptions page. This is where all active, trialing, and canceled subscriptions live in one place. Make sure you are using an account role with billing permissions so you can make changes. If you have a lot of customers, use the search and filters to quickly find the subscription you want to cancel. Searching by customer, status, or subscription 499 can save time and help avoid mistakes. Once you've found the correct subscription, look for the overflow menu, represented by 3 dots to the right of the subscription. Click that menu and choose Cancel Subscription. This opens a confirmation panel where you'll decide exactly how and when the cancellation should take effect. First, choose your timing. If you select to end it immediately, access stops right away and no further invoices will be created. If you choose to end at the end of the current billing period, the customer keeps access until the current cycle runs out, and the subscription will automatically stop at that point. A custom date lets you schedule the cancellation for a specific future day, which is helpful if you've promised access until a certain deadline. Take a moment here to double-check dates and time zones so the change happens exactly when you expect. Next, choose how you want to handle refunding. No refund is common when the customer continues to receive access through the paid period or when your policy doesn't allow refunds. A prorated refund returns the unused portion of the most recent payment, calculated from the cancellation point to the end of the cycle. A full refund of the last payment gives everything from the most recent charge back to the customer. Consider your refund policy and the services already delivered before you decide. Remember that refunds are sent back to the original payment method, and processing times can vary depending on the bank. After you've reviewed both the timing and refund choices, confirm by clicking Cancel Subscription. You should see a confirmation in the dashboard, and if you use automated notifications, the customer may receive an email about the change based on your settings. That's it. You've canceled a Stripe subscription with clear control over timing and refunds. Thanks for watching.